Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Andriany Suciarahmany. In today's video, I'm going to share about how to optimize using Google Search to be maximum effective and efficient. And here I have 14 steps on how to optimize using Google Search. So without any further ado, let's check this out. All right. For the first step is using double quotes. Let me show you the example. And the example is we will be looking for a load balancing web server. We will use quote first. After that, we type load balancing web server, and then use double quotes and click enter. Yeah, the result is exactly what we search. Also, the result will be more optimal rather than we search without using the quotes. And the second steps are use hyphens to exclude words. Let me show you the example. For example, we want to search my lecturer. His name is Rahmatulloh, but here we will accept the word Rahmatulloh. So we start to type Alam and use hyphens, and we type Rahmatullah. Press enter. Yeah, the result is just Alam. There is no Rahmatullah. But if we delete this, yeah, this is my lecturer. And the next steps is use colons to search only on certain sites. For example, I want to find my lecturer on Google Scholar. So we type site here and then use colon and then type the website. Google Scholar. Google. Yeah. See, the result is my lecturer on a website, Google Scholar. Yeah. As you can see here, the result only show on Google Scholar. This is very useful when we forgot which article we are looking at is on which page. So we use these tips or these steps, or we can use link here. Link. Yeah, the result is still the same. And then the next step is use the asterisk to search for sentences with some missing words. For example, we forgot the song lyrics, So for example, we forgot the song lyrics. So we can use this method on Google search. Let me show you the example. For example, here, and then we use asterisk and then press enter. So the Google will provide a suggestion for lyrics that match with what we are looking for. And the next is we use the search all at once. For example, there are two topics that we want to find. The first is the best way to study, and the next one is how to prepare a study. So we use or. Let me show you the example. The best way. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot the codes. The quotes first. The best way to study, or how to prepare a study. Press enter, and this is the result. Yeah, the result is the data that is relevant to these keywords. And the next steps is use range. For example, we want to know who won the MotoGP, the MotoGP in 2004. So we just type who won MotoGP and state the year 2004. Press enter, and the result is here. The Google will give a specific result, just only in 24. And then for the next is look for simple things. For example, the nearest Indomart. Just type the nearest this. Yeah, the result is Google will give you some suggestion for the nearest route from your location. Yeah, and then for the next is we want to find the same site. For example, we want to find the sites that are similar to the tik.com. So we look for similar sites. We can type the word related and then use a colon and type the tik.com. Press enter. Yeah, the Google will give you some website that's same to the tik.com like Tempo, Sindo News, etc. And then use keywords such as we want to looking for pizza, so we must we must type the important keywords. The nearest it's the for example, I'm so sorry, just a second. Yeah, this is the result. So if you want to find something that really important, I mean like just type the important keywords on Google search. And the next steps is use the words that used by the website, because usually on a website the words are more professional. For example, you have a headache and then you write it in the Google search. I have a headache. Yeah, the result will be more general. I mean, there are a lot of such like types of headaches and then causes. Yeah, the result is not specific. But if you use, for example, you want to know how to how to to relieve the headache, just write it down on your Google search. Headache, place typo here, headache reliever. Yeah, the result will show more specific than before. And the next step is currency rate conversion. So if we want to find 1,000 yen, and we curious how much is in rupiah, we can use Google search. Just type 1,000 yen to, yeah, as you can see, the Google give you some suggestion, but we will type this. Yeah, the result is here, and you can change the number of conversion, and yeah, this is can be changed according to how much you are looking for, and then the currency value can also be changed. As you can see, that is very complete here. And the next tips is spelling doesn't really matter. So if we write the sentences but incomplete word, like, let me give you the example like this: never gonna give you, yeah, like this. The Google will give you some suggestion according to what is in the Google library. Yeah, like this. And then the next steps is we search for specific files. For example, if you want to find financial reports but in PDF format. Then we will go with financial reports. Financial reports. File types. PDF, for example. So the result will show you only on PDF form. See, just only PDF. And on Google search, we also can count. So we can use Google search to do math. For example, if you want to know 1,000 multiple by 257 equivalent. Yeah, this is the result. So the Google will display a calculator, as you can see on the screen. So those are the ways how to optimize search engines. The result that appear will be more specific in this way. And maybe that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully this video can be useful for you. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.